All right, folks, another feature that I really like, and it's first cousin to data validation, is the opportunity to put in a checkbox within Google Sheets. Maybe it's just for you because you want to check something to say that it's done, or maybe it might actually allow you to create some more dynamic formulas that update whether or not it's checked. So how do we put in a checkbox? That's the whole purpose of this video right here. Let's select the cells for which we want to enter a checkbox. I'm going to select the topmost cell, Shift, Command, down. It's going to highlight all the cells in that column. And I'm going to go ahead and insert checkbox. And I will insert a checkbox into all of them. Checkboxes that you can check, you can uncheck. And for what it's worth, I just want to let you know that what does the checkbox do on a more kind of formulaic level? It's a binary, a Boolean, if you will, false or true. When unchecked, it has the value false. When checked, it has the value true. And that's going to play an integral role in our next video. But for this time, just wanted to show you how to create checkboxes and check them off.